welcome to this video. Today I'm going to be showing how you can add custom backgrounds to your Zoom calls. Now there's two different ways of doing this, so I'll go over both. The first way is once you've got the app installed and signed in, you then get given this screen. Find the little settings icon in the top right hand corner. Once you click it open, you then get this window. Find the virtual background option on the left hand side of the menu. Click it, then you get given this screen. Click the little plus icon and then add image. Then all you need to do is locate the images that you want to use. If you're going to create your own, the dimensions that you'll need is 1920 by 1080p. I'm not going to add mine because I've already got both added. And then you can select which one you want to use. Now, the other way of doing this is during a meeting. All you need to do is once you're in a meeting, in the bottom left hand corner, you'll see the stop video option. Click the little icon on the right hand side of the box, little up sign, and then you get the option of choose virtual background again. And then it's as simple as doing it the same way the first time. Find a little plus, add image, and then select the image that you want to use. And that's how you add custom backgrounds to your Zoom calls.